Sziasztok and welcome to my channel! In today's video I'm going to talk about what should you put on your traveler makeup bag. Because I'm definitely sure I'm not the only person who wants to bring all of the makeup stuff myself, because I don't know what I would need when I will be there. When you are watching this video, I'm gonna be on a vacation with my husband. That's why I thought I have to share with you my experiences with traveling or travel bags. I think this is a pretty small traveler makeup bag, and I think I bring myself everything what I need. If you're interested about this look, for example, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button, because that's how the YouTube will notify you every time when I'm uploading. And check out my last videos and my Instagram, because I'm posting all the damn time and I always bring some new ideas. So let's jump into this video. I love this hat. This is a must part of my summer looks. First things first, when we are traveling, we have to put all of our stuff in a really teeny tiny place. Especially we are traveling with planes, because in an airplane you have to stay in a minimal kilogram. I believe 23 kilogram is the biggest luggage which you can carry, so you don't have too many space. Let's start with the essentials. I think the first must-have is a concealer, which has a really high coverage, and you can wear if you have pimples, thinking this is the best time to come out. So a really full coverage concealer is a must-have. The next must-have for me is a nice contour pack, because with this I can create so many things. I can contour my cheekbone area, my nose, etc, etc. I can fix my concealer and I can highlight my face, for example. So this is a really useful kit, for example, because it's a really small, so it's a really traveling size. You find in it so many different things what you need. And I also recommend a magnetic palette like this. Mine is a little bit messy, but if I put a little bit tighter the things in it, I have so many space there. And if you have other magnetic stuff, for example eyeshadows or anything else, you can easily pop it here and you don't need any other palette, for example. If I have a magnetic version from my Sigma eyeshadows, for example, the shade Humble, Toasty and Henna, these are my go-to shades and I can create various different look with them. I can pop them to a magnetic palette and I don't have to carry any other palette, just only this one. So it could be a really useful stuff, but I haven't any magnetic version from my favorite shades, so I have to put it to my bag. If we are arrived to the eyeshadows, I definitely recommend a travel size eyeshadow palette or some magnetic refillable eyeshadow palettes, for example, because these are really easy to travel with, because this is really small actually. I have smaller palettes than this, but this is a really good range of color and I really like to use this palette. So this is the palette which I usually travel with. Definitely put into the bag. I'm not a huge brow person, so I think my brow products are easily leavable. I'm not gonna missing them, but if you do, I recommend a tinted brow gel, because if you use a tinted brow gel you can easily leave the pencil, for example. You have to just run through your brows and you are done and your brows stay on all day. This is actually from Rimmel, the Brow This Way in a shade Hazel. If I bring myself a brow product, I definitely put on my makeup bag the brow gel. I am definitely a blush person. I really like to put on blushes, So one of my must-haves is this palette. This is a Freedom makeup blush palette. You can purchase it because the Freedom brand is just disappeared and replaced it with the Revolution Pro brand. So, and it's better, for example, because I have a huge palette from my favorite Freedom blushes, but now you can buy them in single versions and you can put it in a magnetic palette. So if I had any Revolution Pro blush, I definitely put it into this little magnetic palette, and then I would be almost done all of my face products, because I don't use foundation and these are all of the face products which I use. So now I have to carry this huge palette, but I recommend to buy a single one as well as the contour palette, for example. This could be a really perfect trick. In this situation, if I had a magnetic blush, for example, I only have to carry these two palettes, which is, I think, a pretty good deal. And last but not at least, some eyes must have for me. My favorite eyeliner pen is the Rimmel Wonder Wing eyeliner. I really like it because you can easily and really quickly you can create a nice winged eyeliner with it, and it's really pigmented and really easy to use. So, and it's a really skinny pen. It don't need too much space to carry it, so go to the makeup bag. I definitely bring myself a travel an eyeliner pencil, because this could be really multitasking product, because you can line with it your waterline or your eyes anywhere, and you can create with it easily a smoky eye as well. So this is a really useful stuff. Don't leave at home. Of course, a mascara. I usually recommend a waterproof mascara, because this could be really good if you're traveling, because it's really safety on your lashes. But I haven't any favorite waterproof mascara, because I feel all of the waterproof mascaras are a little bit, they are not show up on me as well as the regular mascara, for example. So my favorite mascara is the Essence/Princess Pulse/Effect mascara, so I definitely put these to my makeup bag. But I'm really curious about your opinion, guys. If you have any recommendation or any favorite waterproof mascara, please leave a comment down below, because I can't find my favorite waterproof mascara, but I really would like to. Go to the makeup bag. And I don't know, guys, but I have lipsticks everywhere, in my bags, in my makeup bag as well, of course, because I definitely bring myself a lipstick. I just have some lipstick all over in my stuffs. I definitely would travel with a nice matte lipstick. This is really comfortable. This is a Maybelline one from the matte nude range, and this is the nude Embrace. This is a nice Catwoman limited edition. Would bring myself this one because this is a perfect nude shade for me. I wear it almost every day. For the summertime, I would bring myself for sure a bright color, because this is perfect in the summertime. I really like to use really bright colors in the summertime as a lipstick, so I definitely bring myself this one. This is a Golden Rose, it's called 37. So this is a nice neon pink shade. I love to wear it with a nude lip pencil or with a nude lipstick, or it just on this own. So I definitely bring myself a really bright color lipstick. And of course, matte lipsticks are always perfect, because these are long wearing and really comfortable. You don't have to mind to reapply. So I definitely bring myself my Revolution Pro matte lip pigment in the shade Affection, and a really comfortable and easy to wear lipstick. So this is as well go to my makeup bag. So this is my traveler makeup bag, guys. I think it's really slim and it's really small, so I think this is a really good deal. I always recommend the single eyeshadows, the single contour kits in a refillable magnetic palette, because this is the most travel-friendly thing in my opinion, and use skinny things and use one product beside two. Use a tinted brow gel, not a brow pencil, and a clear brow gel, for example. So these could be easily reduce your makeup bag's size. And if you are gonna go travel, have a lovely time on your travel and have a lovely weather, because this is always useful. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I hope you find it really useful, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button, because that's how the YouTube will notify you every time when I'm uploading. And see you in the next time, guys. Sziasztok!